is until the captain has brought this aircraft to a safe stop at the gate and turned off the overhead fasten signal sign. Please use caution when opening up the overhead van. See articles you place have a tendency to shift around during the flight. It's been our pleasure serving you today. We know you have a choice to fly. We thank you for choosing Southwest. This is the termination of this flight. Check around you. Make sure you have all your personal belongings before cleaning, because once you step off the aircraft, you're not allowed to step back on. Yes, our doors to arrival and cross check.
Almost.
We almost here.